Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to delete Gmail emails in bulk on iPhone. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply open the Gmail app on your iPhone, and then what you're going to have to do next is simply go to inbox, and then here you're going to have to simply tap on any of your emails, and then as you can see here at the top you're going to have this button to select all of them. Now keep in mind that you can select up to 50 emails per time, and then simply tap on the delete button, and then you're gonna have to keep doing this all over again. So as you can see, sometimes it's 100, so it depends on the type of emails, as you can see, and it can increase, as you can see now 50, and now let's see, now 150, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.